I want you to pull out your reading composition notebook, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer the following question. What did you learn about Ando in the process of making instant ramen noodles? Okay, I want you to find a stopping point. We're going to move on to the next slide. In your composition notebook, you are going to answer the following questions. Ando created instant ramen noodles. Do you think his invention is important, and why? I'm going to give you 2 more minutes to answer these questions. Okay, we are going to find a stopping point and continue on the next slide. You're going to answer these 5 questions. 1. Why were there so many people waiting in line as Ando walked by? 2. How was Ando inspired by the people waiting in line? 3. What kind of food did Ando Want to invent? How would it be different? 4. Why did Ando try so many different recipes? 5. Who was able to buy and enjoy Ando's noodles?